Hi everyone, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got another really cute bag to show you today, and this is the Coach Dempsey Carryall in their signature Coach Jacquard fabric, which is really cool, and I love this like pale lilac colour as well. It's really sweet. So I'll show you the features. We've got double top handles with a little Coach leather tag on there as well. We've got one removable strap that's removable by those little loops on either side, and then it is adjustable as well. Just show you, got a few settings to adjust the length on there. We have got press stud fastened opening, you can see a little press stud there, and then inside there's two slip pockets and one zip pocket at the back as well. So the condition of this bag, it is so close to being excellent all around. It is in gorgeous condition. I'll just show you kind of these corners all around are beautiful, and the structure still looks really nice. There's just a couple of tiny marks that I'll show you. So just on this little leather strap here, and it is really tiny, so you can barely even see it. One little mark there, and then just on the opposite side as well, on that strap, again, there's just that tiny little mark you can see there. So I'm being really picky because they're honestly tiny. And then on one of the base studs, just find, you can see, there is a little bit of a scratch. If I get that in the right angle, you can see just a little bit of a scratch on there. The others are in gorgeous condition. So for that reason, we've called the exterior very good, and the hardware very good. The interior is excellent because it's just so close to being excellent all around. It's gorgeous. So while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with because it's got quite a few bits with it, so I'll show you those. We've got a little ribbon and Coach box as well, and then inside the box we've got Coach tissue paper as well, so it would make a perfect gift with all the extra bits that come with it. And then we've also got Coach dust bag, and then a few little tags that come with it as well. So there's the original product tag, and then a little Coach fabric card as well, and a little Coach care services card there as well. So if you wanted to know the exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop this bag, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Coach on our website. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry. That does mean it has sold, but if you love it as much as I do and you just can't, you want to get it and you can't part with it in your mind, then let us know. Send us over an email and we'll get you on our request list for this, and we'll send you over an alert next time we have one like it, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So we've got this long strap kind of on the middle setting at the minute. I'm size UK 10 and 5'4", if that's any help. So with that strap, it sits very nicely as a crossbody, or you can pop the strap off like there. So pop the strap off with those little loops, and then just have it by those top handles as well, which is really cute. And I love the combination of that Jacquard fabric with the lilac colour. It gives it very kind of like Bratz doll vibes, which is really cool. So for more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below, have a browse through our website while you're there, and sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. And also while you're on our website, don't forget to have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. If you've got any bags you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.